Hey guys, I'm Justin, and in today's video here in the JMK Garage, I'm going to share with you a package I received yesterday from Royal Distributing. It's a local power sports retailer for apparel, parts, and accessories. So let's get that opened up and see what's inside the package. Alright, so first item in the box here looks to be the tool roll. It's a Wolftech brand, Royal's in-house brand for parts and accessories. Tool roll here to put on the Harley, put some tools in, roll up, and attach to the handlebars, just to make sure I have any tools needed on hand at any time I'm riding and may break down. After that, we have two of these boxes, and that there is the Wolftech brand as well. Handlebar bag, and that there will go on the bar risers of the Harley or any other cruiser. And tool roll will attach to the bottom. Bike like that. These here because as I become a brand ambassador for Royal Distributing, I've asked them to send some merchandise and use it as a giveaway. So we get one for the bike for some media purposes, and then on the Instagram, YouTube, we will send one away to one of the viewers and subscribers. And last item in the box here, as you can see, it's a Bell SRT modular helmet in small Nardo gray. I've been wanting that helmet for a while now. And I reached out to Royal and asked to use this as an opportunity for some branding. So, as I mentioned, it's the Nardo Gray. That is my favorite color choice. However, the plan is to custom paint this helmet. Don't know exactly what I'm doing yet. Might do some votes online to see about flames or other various colors. And somehow custom that to get in some Royal Distributing JMK Garage branding on the helmet there. Anyways, there's the helmet. Looks pretty nice in my opinion. As you can see on the wall, I have plenty of helmets up there, but my current one, the Shoei GT Air 2, it's a nice helmet, very nice helmet, but doesn't have a modular feature to lift up and chat with your buddies as you're riding, to hear each other talk. Alright, time to get that on, go for a ride, and enjoy this nice warm weather while we have it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time, and stay tuned for some giveaways. There you go, helmet, buddy. Want to try that on?